What's up, guys? Back right where we left off. Let's do this. Let's start modifying. We're gonna do the first mod. I'm gonna go ahead and jump over to it right now and show you what I'm gonna do. Boom, the first mod. This is what we're gonna be doing. We're changing these tail lights. I got new tail lights. I'm really excited. I'd say this is probably the first biggest mod. This is a big one. Tail lights, that's a big deal. So these are the Tsunami original tail lights. They're 2003 style and above. Then they also have chrome on them. Not my favorite. This car is very chromy right now, full of chrome. She's a chromy girl. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install new taillights. Now, whether you get the ones I get, which are out there, or whether you get a different style, this is personally my favorite style of taillights, and I think it'll look really good on this. We're gonna be doing these ones right here. I actually reviewed these in my last video. If you stayed till the end, you gotta see these. These are really nice. So these are 2003 and above. Toyota Celica, GT or GTS. So these are just the revised version. And then these are the ones that are much more red. I would say that the pink/red, but compared to these two, it's just all red. I think that looks really good. These are the ones that we're gonna be using on this build, and I'm gonna do a before and after. So let's go ahead and just jump into how to do it. So the first thing is that you come in here, you're gonna wanna pop this out right here. All you do is pull on that and this piece pops out like that. Do you see that little plastic right there? Then it'll expose the tail light. And the taillight's gonna have 3 bolts on it, and I actually already have one out. So let's go ahead and grab this one right here. So there's gonna be 3 bolts on here. Look right here, so this is a perfect example. Lower one, top one, far right one. 3 bolts that hold it in. And then this is the updated plug-in right there. So it just plugs in all 3 into one right there. One little wire harness, and you push on that top plug right there. And you push on that and it'll pop it out. So that'll pop it out. So let's go ahead and do that with the Tsunami one right now. Boom, just like that, it's out. So here is the Tsunami one, it's out. Look at that. Again, those 3 little plugs, or 3 little bolts, 1, 2, 3. This is a good time to clean this area. So I recommend using a little bit of cleaner spray and then a microfiber from my website at MITCHDORE.COMHOW and wiping that all down. So let's go ahead and do that now. So you can see right here, there is a little rubbery or like foamy seal that goes around it. Put it back on. You'll get vibrations. If you don't, I'll put it on in a second here. And then make sure you just plug it back in and it'll all work. You can check if the bulbs are out or not. This is very simple. If you're having issues not able to reach this inner bolt right here, this one right there, what you can do is what I did is you can pull out, there is a, right here, there is a 10 millimeter. You pull that out, and then there is a Phillips head screwdriver right here. You pull that out, and then you can pull on this plastic a little bit and get a little bit more leverage. So that is what I did so that I could reach that inner one on that last Tsunami bolt. But let's go ahead and plug this new one in. Boom, oh my gosh. That is so much better. Look how much more modern that looks. I'm in love. I love it, I love it. I'm so happy I got those ones. Look at the difference. That is incredibly visible. Like, you'd have to, look at that. That's so shiny and silvery. Oh, so much better, so much darker, so much more aggressive. Really will transform the back of this car. This is just my opinion. Now, people might go and say, yo, Mitch, this looks way better. This is a real Tsunami part. That's original. Why would you get rid of that? It's just my taste. I like that a lot, and I think that looks really good. I plugged it in, so let's jump up front here and turn it on. And then see which one looks better. Oof. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. So you guys can see the similar styles, but with the chrome and without the chrome, and then red overall. So I'm in love with that. This will probably be the thumbnail, some kind of picture like this. So let's go ahead and continue on to the next one. Same thing, 3 bolts on this side. We're gonna pop that one off and then install the new one. Tighten it all back up, wipe it all down and clean it, and then comment down below. What do you guys think is better, this one or that one? Really, I really wanna know. I really wanna know your honest opinions. Boom, just like that, all put together. This thing looks so much better. Wow, what a night and day difference. So we'll go ahead and zoom in here real quick and look, the interior's put back together. Not hard, 3 bolts. I would recommend doing this one, which is a Phillips head right here, and then a 10 millimeter right here. Doing those so that you have better access to this inner bolt, so that this thing's really fitted in there really tight. That being said, let's go ahead and close this hatch. I gotta get those plastics. I'm missing those things. Let's do this. Boom. And yes. And I think I have car keys. Let me grab the car keys. They do stuff. The little beeper thing. All right, so we have the car key. Yeah. Oh, Mitch, you should have done that the day you got this car, bro. Yep, that looks great. Yeah, you guys can't talk me out of that. That is so much better. I'm so sorry. That is so good. Oh, I'm in love with this car. I'm falling for it. I'm falling for it. That is so cool. Lock, unlock. Ooh, look at that carbon fiber plate, LEDs from MITCHDORE.com with the new tail lights. Celica's back in, looking fat, looking fat. This is looking juicy. This car is looking good. Not too hard to do. I like doing it kind of like little jobs like this because I think it's really easy, really enjoyable, really fun. I love the Celica. I feel that I would know how to work on it really well. I like the outcome of this. I think that looks really, really good. Comment down below. You guys think that looks better or worse? I think I'm headed in the right direction. I think that those look really, really good. I think that makes the car look even better. Just keep in mind, it is OEM part, so it's not an aftermarket part. So if you're saying, oh, you're putting non-Tsunami or non-Celica, this is just a different color of OEM that suits me better. The next thing that I really want to do is actually get some tint on the back of the car. I think that'll look really, really good. I will be doing some tint here. Comment, do you guys think I should do like a 5% real dark or like a 15% or maybe even a light 20%? I think I'm gonna do probably a 20% or maybe a 15. I can't remember what the last one I did on it. I did a 5 on one of my cars. It was super dark, so I don't think I'll do that again. It's actually harder to see out. The MR2 has 5%. It's like the Batmobile. So I think I'll do like maybe a 15 or 20%. Other than that, hit the like button. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think the Celica's coming along pretty quick here. My girlfriend said, whoa, you're making a lot of videos lately. Slow down. So I like the Celica. I can't stop modding it, and I think this car is just gonna get better and better, so there's gonna be a lot more content. I do wanna do a dyno video completely stock, so no exhaust, no intake, no nothing. Maybe an oil change, and that's it. And I wanna see what the Tsunami puts down, see if it puts down more horsepower than a regular GTS. They say it doesn't, is what I heard, but let's go and see if this one does. Maybe this one will put down like 175 or 180, who knows, maybe it will. Wheel horsepower, I bet it'll put down like 165. But I do want to do a dyno stock, so I'll probably do that in a couple Fridays from now. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.